ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாபிப சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्थिव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ട തോറു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. So we'll do a quick review of 37 in EK. Gopiji, can you do half, and Vijaya, can you do half?
Sure, sir.
Whoever wants to go first. Right, Gopiji, go ahead.
Okay.
सान्द्रानन्दतनोहरे अनुपुरा देवासुरे शङ्करे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये ते न याता गतिं तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दिदिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्जमाश्रितपदम् देवैः पुरैवागतैः हा हा दुर्जन भूरिभारमधितां पादोनिधौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृश्च देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलापविवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवन्तं च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः
The second line, Nanvasya Bhavatam.
नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे सर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिदियुः साकं तवाकेतनम्.
The third line after Vayamito, there is a pause, okay?
Okay, sure.
And then the Yayuhu, fourth line, Yayuhu, Javaditi Yayuhu.
नत्वा तं स्तुमे जवादिति स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम् हे मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्धजलधे तीरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत्स पातो जभूः त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमेर्नृपैः तक्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवावृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पादो जभूरुचिवान्.
Okay, very good. Vijay, you can continue from there.
श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव सववचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्विष कथेषु तावक कृपापीयूष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्नित्यपुण्योत्तरे तन्यां देवक नन्दनाम् उदवहत्राजा स सूरात्मजः उद्वाहा वसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोत सम्मानयन् एतौ सुततया कथः पदिरते व्यामोतया
Vijay, and then that, and sorry, second. The second line, Sutataya, second word, Sutataya, and then then Vyomothaya. Yeah.
Okay. Etau Sutataya Katav Patirate Vyomodaya Tvatkira Asyastvam Aditushtam Ashtamasuto Hanteti Hanteritaha Santrasat Satu Hantum Antika Katatam Tanvim Kripani Matat.
And the last line, Hantum antika gatam.
Hantum antika katam.
Yeah, that's it.
Santrasat satu hantum antika katam. அப்படி இல்லையா? அந்திக கதாம் தன்வீம் கிருபாணி மதாத் கிருக்ஞானஸ் சிகுரேஷு தாம் கலமதி சௌரேஷ்சிரம் சாந்த்வனைஹி நோ முஞ்சன் புனர் ஆத்மஜார்ப்பணிகிரா பிரீதோதயாதோ கிருஹான் ஆத்யம் த்வத் சஹஜம் ததார்ப்பிதமபி ஸ்நேஹேன நாஹன்னசௌ துஷ்டானாம் அபி தேவ புஷ்கருணா புஷ்டகருணா திருஷ்டா ஹி தீரே கதா.
The first line kalamatihi, there's a visarga there. Okay,
kalamatihi. Okay,
keep going. Yeah.
तावद्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्राचेस भोजस्वरं यूयं नन्वसूरासुराश्च यतवो ज्ञानासि किं न प्रभो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावि स हरिर्भवत्वदकृते भावी सूर प्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदून दूदू नदसौ सौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
In the first line, or a second, Vijaya, first line proche. Okay, I think you said prache or something. Narada Munihi from proche. Okay, keep going. Yeah.
Proche. Yeah. Sorry. Prapte saptamagarpata mahipatau प्रेरणान् मायया नीदे माधवरोहिणीं त्वमिपीपोस् सच्चित् सुखैकात्महः देवक्या जडरं विवेशित विपो संस्तूयमानः सूरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विदूय रोकपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. All right, so we'll get going. So Nikki, Meera, you can be a student, and then just thinking one sec. Tulsi, you are on. Okay. Meera and Tulsi, you can be students. Second half, Rupa, you and Anu can be student. Okay. Okay. So did we? I don't know. Did we do 3 or did we do 4 and stop?
We did 4.
We did 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Start with the 5th one. Shauristu dhira muni mandala chetasopi दूरस्थितं वपुरुदीक्ष निजे क्षणाभ्याम् आनंद भाष्प पुलगोद्गमगद्गदार्द्रः तुष्टावदृष्टि मकरंद रसं भवन्तं. So we saw how Krishna, when he was born with a Chaturbhujam, right? And we went through that Bhagavatam Shlokam also, how it was describing him. So here, when Vasudeva is now looking at this form of the Lord, so here Bhattacharya again kind of says, this form of you, which is Dhura Sthitam, which is so far away, even for the most learned of people, even for the sages who have done all these penance, Vasudeva now is finding that form with the Chaturbhujam right in front of him. So imagine that, you're all kind of doing all this Narayaniyam, and you're doing all this for years and years, and all of a sudden the God comes in front of you, right? So once you will become probably scared, which is very valuable. It's possible, right? Somebody comes with 4 hands, you might probably get scared. At the same time, you also won't know what to do, right? What will you talk, right? Whatever you thought about it, you won't know what to talk. So same thing Vasudeva was also experiencing was, he was first a little bit surprised of what he was seeing, but at the same time, in his eyes, Ananda Bhashpa, he had tears of joy that was actually coming out of his eyes. And Vasudeva started crying, and then he started choking. So no words were coming out of his mouth. And he was also having this Pulakodhamam, is horripilation all over his body, like Pullarikirthe, they say in Tamil, right? So goosebumps. So he didn't know what to say. He was crying, and then he was choking. And then Bhattaripad says, this form of yours, which is nothing but for people whose eyes are like bees, you are nectar. So just like how when a bee actually sees a nectar, it goes after it. Similarly, for Vasudeva, when he's seeing you, he just didn't know what to do. And he started, he was like in a state of shock when he sees you. So Shauri is referring to Vasudeva here. So Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi, comma, Dura Sthitam Vapurudhiksha Nijekshanabhyam. That word comes together. Nijekshanabhyam. Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Dura Sthitam Vapurudhiksha Nijekshanabhyam.
Saurishtu dhira muni mandala chetashopi durastitam vapurudikshyan nijekshanabhyam. Saurishtu dhira muni mandala chetashopi durastitam vapurudikshyan nijekshanabhyam.
शौरिस्तु धीरमुनिमण्डलचेतसोऽपि दूरस्थितं वपुरुधीक्ष निजेक्षणाभ्यां शौरिस्तु धीरमुनिमण्डलचेतसोऽपि दूरस्थितं वपुरुधीक्ष निजेक्षणाभ्याम्
आनंद बाष्प पुलकोद गम गद gadardraha. Gadardraha, put a visarga there and a comma. Next line, that is goes away. Tushtava drishti makaranda rasam bhavantam. Ananda bhashpa pulagodgama gadgadardraha. Tushtava drishti makaranda rasam bhavantam.
Ananda bhaspa pulakod gamagad gadadraha tustava drishti makaranda rasam bhavantam. Ananda bhaspa pulakod gamagad gadadraha tustava drishti makaranda rasam bhavantam.
Mira, on the fourth line, first word, tushtava.
Tushtava.
Yeah.
आनन्दबाष्पपुलकोद्गमद्गधात्रः तुष्टावदृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम् आनन्दबाष्पपुलकोद्गमगद्गधात्रः तुष्टावदृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम्.
Answer 6. Deva prasida parapurushatapavallhi nirluna dhatra samanetra kala vilasin khedana pakuru kripa gurubih katakshahi ityaditena muditena chiram nuto bhuh. So then eventually Vasudeva then realizes that the person who's standing in front of him is the Supreme Lord himself. So it took him some time to realize that. So when he realizes that, then all his fears went away. So like I said, right, suddenly somebody comes and stands, you'll get afraid. So his fears goes away first. And once that fears goes away, he doesn't care that he is the father. So what he does is he prostrates. So in Bhagavatam, it says he does a namaskaram to the Lord because he's standing Swayam Pratyaksham in front of him. And then he folds his hand to the child form of the Lord, which has got 4 hands, right? And then says, you know what? You have come here, you have come to relieve me of all the pain that we are going through, of the earth, of all the, the evil atrocities that Kamsa and others are doing. But as you also know very well, that because you are going to be born, Kamsa has now taken this vow of killing everybody, and he has killed six of your brothers, right? So he says, I want you to now go away. Maybe that may be the better thing, right? So although he realizes it's God, he says, I don't want you to get impacted by it. Right, because his evil Kamsa will do whatever he wants. So he says, you please take care, right? As a father, he also says that to Krishna. And then he says, just like he says, oh Lord, with your, again, Bhattaripad being a poet, he says, Vasudeva is saying, my sorrows are like the creepers of a tree, of the branches. And with your eyes, which are like a sword, you go cut how the sword can chop through the creepers, right? With your eyes, you please look at me. And when you look at me, all my sorrows will get completely eliminated. So please Katakshahi, please put your glances towards me, so all of my sorrows go away, and also all my sufferings go away as well. With that, Vasudeva continues to praise Krishna. So the first couple of stanzas, Vasudeva is praising. The next couple of stanzas, Devaki will speak. So, Deva Prasida Para Purusha Tapa Valli, comma, plus Tapa Valli, long E, plus Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin. Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin.
Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin. Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin.
Nirluna Datra. I think you said Datra second time. Datra.
Okay.
Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin.
Tulsi, Parapurusha.
Sure. Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli.
Sorry, 1 second. Sorry. Pu is a long U, Ru is a short U. So Purusha.
Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa-valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin.
Kedan.
Nirlu Nidatra idea.
Nirluna.
Actually, bookல Nirluni Datraன்னு இருக்கு.
Okay.
எல்லாத்துலயும் நெல்லூனி தான் இருக்கு. எனக்கும் அப்படிதான் இருக்கு.
Nirluna தான் இருக்கு. Nobody else said that.
Nirluna தான் இருக்கு.
ஆமா, Nirluna. Maybe some books might have had Nirluni, some books have Nirluna. Change it to Nirluna to be consistent, because where nobody said that, so it's still everybody is saying it as Nirluna only. Okay. Kedan Apakuru. You can break at that na if you want. Kedan Apakuru Kripa Guru Bihi is there. Put a sound. Guru Bih Katakshaihi. Put a visarga at the end and a comma. Katakshaihi. Next line. The Rityadi becomes Ityadi. The Ra goes away. Ityadi Tena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu. Khedanapa Kuru Kripa Guru Bih Katakshaihi Ityadi Tena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu.
Kedana apakuru kripa guru bif katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chiram nuto bhuhu. Kedan apakuru kripa guru bif katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chiram nito bhuhu.
Nuto Bhuhu.
Nuto bhuhu.
Khedanapa Kuru Kripa Guru Bih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu. Khedanapa Kuru Kripa Guru Bih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu.
Stanza 7. Matra Chanetra Salila Stuta Ghatra Valhya Stotrairabhishthuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Matur Giradhadita Manusha Bhalavesham. So next, Devaki, right? So being a mother, now she also is full of tears. That Bhattacharya is saying that her entire body has become wet from all the tears that she's been shedding, the tear of happiness, right, that she's now shedding, looking at the Lord. And she also says things very similar to what Vasudeva says. She says, you know what, we have undergone all these atrocities with Kamsa. He's coming and killing all the children. So you really have to, number one, help us out. Then that she starts with that. But then she also flips and says that at the same time, she's worried. She says, if somebody sees you in this form, right, I'm afraid that Kamsa and others are immediately going to come and attack you. And Krishna is still in the form of a child, right? Although he's Shatrabhujam, he's the form of a child. So if somebody looks at you, they're going to do a harm to you. So he says, can you please, and I don't want them to know you are born out of my womb, because then Kamsa will come and hurt you as well. So can you please resort to your normal childlike form, getting away from this forms you have, the Chaturbhujam, with the Shankh, Chakram, Gadam, and everything else, right? So Krishna then goes on to explain that, and that's where here it says that Prachina Janma Yugalam. So he says that the reason I have taken this form is because to remind you that you have been worshipping this form and have seen these forms in two other Janmam of yours in the past. Like I think I said last time or something, right? So one is with Sutapas and Prisni. He was called Prisni Garbha. So they actually pray for a really long time at the beginning of the Swayambhu Manvantram. And then when the Lord comes and he says, what do you want? They says, we want a son like you. So for which Vishnu says, I cannot have a son like you. I myself will be born. So he's then born for the first time. And then there's a reason, they actually take, they said that they really enjoy, they said, we enjoy having you as a son so much that they say that we don't even want liberation. We just want you as a son again. So we want you as a son 3 times, so we can enjoy that form of you as a son, right? As a child. So that's why then second time he's born again as, for Kashyapa and Aditi as Vamana, and the third time here to Vasudeva Devaki. So Krishna then explains to them that you have already had me as your child in the past. And even those times when I was born in a similar form. So I just showed you this form to remind you that this has already happened in the past. And then he then goes to Manusha Bhalavesham. Then he resorts back to the form of a normal child, right? So that's where Krishna was born, and then he resorts to this form here. So Matra Cha Netra Salilastrita Gatra Valya, comma, Stotrair Abhishtuda. You can break it if you want. The ra you can break it. Stotrair Abhishtuda Gunaha is there, put a ich sound, Gunah Karunalayastvam. Matra Chanetra Salila Stritagatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam.
Matra cha netra shalilastra gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta guna karunalayastvam.
The Mira in the first line, Trita Gatra, Salilastrita Gatra.
Salilastra. Matra cha netra salilastrita gatra valya stotrair abhishtuta guna karunalayastvam.
Matra cha netra salilastruta gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta guna karunalayastvam. Matra cha netra salilastruta gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta guna karunalayastvam.
Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhya Thabhyam, comma, Matur Gira Dadhitha Manusha Bala Vesham. Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Matur Gira Dadhitha Manusha Bala Vesham.
Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Matur Gira Dadita Manusha Bala Vesham. Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Matur Gira Dadita Manusha Bala Vesham.
Prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyatabhyam matur gira daditha manusha bhalavesham. Prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyatabhyam matur gira daditha manusha bhalavesham.
Stanza 8. Tvat preritas tadanu nandatanujayate Vyatyasamarachayitum sahishurasunuho Tvam hastayoradrita chitta vidharyamaryehi Amboru hastakala hamsa kishora ramyam. So then, because of you prompt, Tvat prerita, so because of your prompting, O Krishna, because of you telling Vasudeva, so Vasudeva then, Krishna then says Vasudeva that you have to take me, and you have to take me and go to Nandagopa's house, right, in Gokulam. And when you go to Nandagopa's house, you'll see a girl child there. So that Nanda Tanujaya, Tanuja means daughter. So you'll see Nandagopa will have a daughter there. So you have to go and exchange me with that child and then bring that child here. So you then prompt Nanda Vasudeva to do that. So Vasudeva then starts carrying you. That Shurasena, Sunuhu means son of Shurasena Vasudeva, is then carrying you with his own hands. And again, Bhattaripat keeps reminding that, don't take this lightly, because people struggle so much. But here Vasudeva is so blessed that he's carrying the child. He's carrying you in his hands, right? So he says, Avlo, he's so fortunate that only things which people cannot even conceive in their mind how it will feel, Vasudeva is undergoing that experience. And when he was carrying you with his palms like this, it appeared as if you were a small swan sitting on a lotus, because a lotus will be like completely open. There's a small swan sitting on it. So he's saying just like Amboruha, Amboru, like Amboruha, Brahma is Ambora Buhu, right? Amboja Buhu means one who has come from lotus. So that on that lotus, you are like a Hamsa Kishora Ram. You are like a Hamsa, you're like a swan, which is nice and beautiful. As a small swan, you appeared like that. So Tvat Preritas Tadanu Nanda Tanujaya Te, comma, Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum. If you want to break it, but you can say it together. Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum Sahi Shura Sunuhu. Tvat Preritas Tadanu Nanda Tanujaya Te Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum Sahi Shura Sunuhu.
Tvatpreritastadanu nandatanujayate vyatyasamara chayitum sahi surasunuhu.
Shura Sunuhu.
Surasunuhu.
Sunuhu. And the Su is a long one. Nu.
Tvatpreritastadanu nandatanujayate vyatyasamara chayitum sahi surasunuhu.
Sahi Shura Sunuhu.
Surasunuhu.
Yeah.
Tvatprerita stadanu nandatanujayate vyatyasamara chayutum sahi shurasunuhu. Tvatprerita stadanu nandatanujayate vyatyasamara chayutum sahi shurasunuhu.
Tvam Hastayor Adhrita. If you want to break it, Hastayor Adhrita Chitta Vidharyam Aryehi. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Vidharyam Aryehi, comma. Next line, the ra that is there, replace it with the a. Amboruhasta Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam. Tvam Hastayor Adhrita Chitta Vidharyam Aryehi. Amboruhasta Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் இது வந்து அந்த தேர்ட் லைன்ல துவம் ஹஸ்தையோ ரதித்தன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன். நீங்க சொல்றீங்க.
ஆமா, adhrita.
திருத்தவா?
Yeah, second dha. Hastayor adhrita. It will be hastayor ra and then dhrita, first tha.
Tvam hastayor drita chitta vidaryam aryaihi amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam.
So Meera, and the best way to say it will be, you can either say hastayor adhrita together, or hastayor adhrita.
Okay. Tvam hastayor adhrita chitta vidaryam aryaihi amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam.
Oh, sorry, in the fourth, ambor hasta, not hasta, hasta. Amboruhasta.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tvam hastayoradhruta chitta vidharyamo maryaihi amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam. Tvam hastayoradhruta chitta vidharyamaryaihi amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam.
Stanza 9. जाता तथा पशुपसद्मनियोग निद्रा निद्रा विमुद्रितमता कृतपौरलोकम् त्वत्प्रेरणात् किमिव चित्रमचेतनैर्यद् द्वारैः स्वयं व्यगटि सङ्घटितैः सुगाढम्. So now at the same time, so after Krishna was born, like I said last time, Krishna was born at the Ashtami, and then Navami is where Yogamaya now takes birth in Nanda Gopa's house, right? So since a lot of people here chant Devi Mahatmyam, so you know in the 11th chapter, right? If you remember, there is that thing comes, right? That Vaivasvatentare prapte Ashtavimshati me yuge Shumbho Nishumbas Chaivanya Utpatsete Mahasurau Nanda Gopa Grihe Jata Yashodha Garbha Sambhava Tatastau Nashayishyami Vindhyachala Nivasini. If you remember that stanza, right? Comes in the 11th chapter. So a lot of that, the second half of what I said comes in the 39th chapter, which we are not going to cover. But in this 38th chapter, essentially what Bhattacharya is saying is, okay, now Yogamaya has taken birth in Nanda Gopa's house, right? And then because of her influence, what happens is the labor took place early morning hours. So because of that, everybody felt tired and they went off to sleep, and they don't know the gender of the baby, and everybody has gone to sleep now, right, in Yashoda's house. And then because of Yogamaya's influence, everybody now in the cell as well, where Vasudeva and Devaki are there, everybody has gone to sleep. And then when Vasudeva starts walking, it says that with the, just like how in sunlight comes, the darkness goes away. Similarly, when Vasudeva enters, automatically the doors are open. So Dware Swayam Vyagati, automatically the doors are opening when Vasudeva is coming carrying you, and everybody has gone to sleep. So he's then able to carry the baby because of Yogamaya's influence. So Jata Tada Pashupa Sadmani Yoga Nidra, comma Nidra Vimudhritam Athakrita, or you can say it together, Vimudhritam Athakrita Paura Lokam. Jata Tada Pashupasadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudhritam Athakrita Paura Lokam.
Jata tada Pashupashadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Mata Krita Pauralokam. Jata tada Pashupashadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Mata Krita Pauralokam.
Jata tada Pashupasadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Mata Krita Pauralokam. Jata tada Pashupasadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Mata Krita Pauralokam.
Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitram Achetanair Yad. Chitram Achetanair Yad, comma Dwaraihi is there, put is Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitaihi is again Sangatitais Sugadham. Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitram Achetanair Yad Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitais Sugadham.
Tvatpreranat kimiva chitram achetanair Dwaraishvayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadam.
So Mira, adla vande and Vyagati first ta, Vyagati Sanghati adun ta, and then Sugadham dha.
Okay. Tvatpreranat kimiva chitram achetanair Dwaraishvayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadam. Sugadham.
Tvatpreranat kimiva chitramachetanair Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadham.
Sorry, to in the third line, last word, Yad, Id at the end. Vechetanair Yad.
Okay. Tvatpreranat kimiva chitramachetanair. Did I say correct?
Yeah, that's correct. And when you're saying it in the tune, it will become Yad, it will become, it is Id only, but you said correct. Yeah.
Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadham.
Stanza 10. Sheshena Bhuri Panavarita Varinatha Swairam Pradarshita Patho Manidipitena Twam Dharayan Sakhalu Dhanyatama Prataste soyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan. So of course, when Vasudeva comes out and it is raining, right? So Ananta, so Sheshena Bhuri. So the same, so Swayam Ananta Shesha now comes, and then he comes in the form, and then he now is protecting Vasudeva and Krishna as they are going, so the rainwater doesn't fall on them, and he also guides them as to where they need to go, because it's midnight and Vasudeva doesn't know the way as well. So the Sananda Shesha is also kind of, Adi Shesha is also guiding him as to where he needs to go, and then taking him. And Vasudeva, oh Dhanya Tamaha, you're so blessed that you are carrying Krishna. So that Krishna, please eradicate all my ailments. So with that, Bhadrapad completes 38th chapter. 39th chapter is where Vasudeva is going there and is bringing Yogamaya back. And then when Kamsa then tries to hurl her at the stone, she then doesn't even, her feet doesn't even, body doesn't even touch the ground. She immediately goes up on the sky, and then she has with Ashtabhuja, right? So this comes in the Dhyana Slokam in Devi Mahatmyam, it comes as well. So she comes in the form of with a person with 8 hands, right? And then she warns Kamsa that the person who you are trying to kill is already born somewhere, right? And you're not going to escape. That's what happens in 39. Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha, comma, Swairam Pradarshita Patho Mani Deepitena. Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha Swairam Pradarshita Patho Mani Deepitena.
Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha Swairam Pradarshita Pato Mani Deepitena. Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha Swairam Pradarshita Pato Mani Deepitena.
शेषेण भूरिफनवारित वारिनाथ स्वैरं प्रदर्शितपथो मणिदीपितेन शेषेण भूरिफनवारित वारिनाथ स्वैरं प्रदर्शितपथो मणिदीपितेन
Twam Dharayan Sakhalu Danyatamaha, put the if sound, Danyatamaf Prataste, comma, Soyam Twamisha Mama Nashaya Roga Vegan. Twam Dharayan Sakhalu Danyatamaf Prataste, Soyam Twamisha Mama Nashaya Roga Vegan.
Tvam dharayan sakalu danyatamav prataste shoyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan. Tvam dharayan sakalu danyatamav prataste shoyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan.
त्वां धारयन् खलु धन्यतमः प्रतस्ते सोऽयं त्वमीश मम नाशय रोगवेगान् त्वां धारयन् खलु धन्यतमः प्रतस्ते सोऽयं त्वमीश मम नाशय रोगवेगान्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. That completes 38. So we'll jump over into 69. So we'll switch. So Anu, you can be a student, and Rupa. So this is it's a very beautiful chapter. So where I'm not going to spend time on the meaning of this chapter. It is Krishna is spending time, right? He's, I think at this age, I believe he was 6.5, 7 years old, and the Rasa Krida is happening. So it follows a tune. Of course, my knowledge of music is extremely poor. So Anganga, even I will use my Shruti and all that stuff. So you can ignore that. So those who are good in music will really enjoy it, and you can sing it nicely. For those who are not able to, it's totally fine. So Anu, I am assuming you can sing well. So relatively well. I don't know, Rupa, I don't know about you. So your choice. If you feel you're not comfortable, I can, whoever is comfortable, you can do this. Okay, others can practice as well. So I'll say the first stanza, and then you guys pick. Okay, Anu and Rupa. Otherwise, we can give it to somebody else. Kesha pasha dhrita pinchika vitati sanchalan makara kundalam Harajala vana malika lalita mangaraga ghana saurabham Pita chela dhrita kanchi kanchita mudhanchadham shumani nupuram रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे. Okay, so that's how it goes. You're comfortable, Anu? At least tune konjam. Okay, right? Rupa, you're also fine? Okay. And it's a very simple chapter, trust me. Although the lines are big, people find this as the easiest chapter because all the words are easily split in this, and it also follows a tune, so it's much easier to say this. So Kesha, Pasha, Dhrita, Pinchika, Bitati, Sanchalan, Makara, Kundalam, comma, Hara, Jala, Vana, Malika, Lalitam, Anga, Raga, Ghana, Saurabham. केशपाशधृत पिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकर कुण्डलम् हारजालवन मालिका ललितमङ्गराग घन सौरभम्.
केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितम् अङ्गरागगनसौरभम्. केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्.
केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलं मकरकुण्डलं हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्. केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलं हारजालवनमालिका ललित मङ्गरागघनसौरभम्.
And that's why you can break it as Lalitam Angaraga if you want to break it. Okay. Pita Chela Dhrita Kanchi Kanchitam Udhanchadam Shumani Udamchadam Shu Mani Nupuram, comma, Rasa Keli Pari Bhushitam Tava Hi. Some books have a long Hi, some books, so you change it to a short Hi if you have a long Hi. So Tava Hi Rupamisha Kalayamahe. Pita Chela Dhrita Kanchi Kanchita Mudhanchadam Shumani Nupuram Rasakeli Paribhushitam Tava hi Rupamisha Kalayamahe.
पीतचेलधृत कांचि कांचित मुदं शुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे.
The third line, and Kanchitam Udanchadamshu.
Kanchitam Udanchadamshu.
Yeah.
पीतचेलधृत कांचि कांचित मुदंचदंशु मणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे.
पीतचेलधृत कांचि कांचित मुदंशु मणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं हि तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे.
Rupa, the third line, and after that Kanchitam, right? Udhanchadamshu.
Udanchadamshu.
Damshu, Nu Puram. Nu is a long, Pu is a short one.
Nupuram.
Yeah.
Pita-chela-dhrita kanchita mudanshu maninupuram rasakeli paribhushitam tava hi rupamisha kalayamahe.
Stanza 2. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले अन्तरा सकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरा रमण सञ्चरन् मञ्जुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्चनाभ समुपादधाः तावदेव कृत मण्डने कलित कञ्चुलीक कुच मण्डले कॉमा गण्ड लोल मणि कुण्डले युवति मण्डलेत परिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेत परिमण्डले
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डने
कञ्चुलीक
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले
तावदेव कृतमण्डलेन कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डनेन
you're adding an extra na there कृतमण्डने
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले
अन्तरा सकल सुन्दरी युगलम इंदिरा you can break it if you want युगलम इंदिरा रमण संचरन comma मंजुलाम तदनु रासकेलिम ऐ कंचनाभ समुपादधाः अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगलमिंदिरा रमण संचरन् मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कंचनाभ समुपादधाः
अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगलिमिंदिरा रमण संचरन् मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कंजनाभ समुपादधाः.
The third line after Sundari Yugalam. Yugalam.
Sorry, sonda tune la undandru.
That's okay. I think the way you are singing, I think is the other tune. So there are two tunes to this. I have a feeling, and I am not that perfect to separate it out, but I have a feeling you are singing in the other tune, but that's okay. You know, whatever you are feeling comfortable, you go with this.
अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगलम इंदिरा रमण संचरन् मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कंजनाभ समुपादधाः.
अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगलमिंदिरा रमण संचरन् मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कंचनाभ समुपादधाः. अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगलमिंदिरा रमण संचरन् मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कंचनाभ समुपादधाः.
Answer 3. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभम् दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गतितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली वासुदेव तव भासमानम् इह रास केलि रस सौरभम दूरतोपि खलु नारदा गदितम आकलय. If you want to break it, you can break it that ma. Narada gaditam आकलय्य कुतुकाकुला वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलि रस सौरभम दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला.
वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभं दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितम् आकलय्य कुतुकाकुला. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभं दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला.
वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभं दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभं दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला.
वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युग पदागता वियति वेगतोत सुर मंडली. वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युग पदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली.
वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली. वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली.
वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली. वेशभूषण विलास पेश विलासिनी शत समावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली.
That's a 4. वेणुनाद कृत तान धान कलगान राग गति योजना लोभनीय मृदुपाद पात कृत ताल मेलन मनोहरम पाणि संक्वणित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलंभित कराम्बुजं श्रोणि बिंब चलदंबरं भजत रास केलि रसडंबरम. वेणु नाद कृत तान दान. First is ta, second is a da. Tan dana kala gana raga gati yojana, and then put a plus. So the first two lines you'll have to say it together. Okay, so yojana plus lobhaniya mridu pada pata krita tala melana manoharam. So the words in this are pretty straightforward words, no complicated words in this chapter at least. So Venunada krita tana dana kalagana raga gati yojana lobhaniya mridupada pata krita tala melana manoharam.
वेणुनाद कृत तान दान कलगान राग गति योजना लोभनीय मृदुपाद मृदुपादपातकृततालमेलन मनोहरम् वेणुनादकृततानधानकलगानरागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृततालमेलन मनोहरम्
वेणुनादकृततानदानकलगानरागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृततामले तालमेलन मनोहरम् वेणुनादकृततानदानकलगानरागपति गानरागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृततालमेलन मनोहरम्
पाणि संक्वनित, the kwa is coming, ikkandawa, kwanita, kankanam cha muhuramsa lambita karambujam, comma, shroni bimba chaladambaram bhajata rasa keli rasa dambaram. पाणि संक्वनित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलंबित कराम्बुजं श्रोणि बिंब चलदंबरं भजत रास केलि रसडंबरम्
पाणि संक्वनित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलंबित कराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम् पाणिसंक्वणितकङ्कणं च मुहुरं सलम्बितकराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम्
पाणिसंक्वणितकङ्कणञ्चन मुहुरं सलम्बितकराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम् पाणिसंक्वणितकङ्कणाञ्च कङ्कणं च पाणिसंक्वणितकङ्कणं च मुहुरं सलम्बितकराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम्.
That's fine.
Archie speak that kangananchen
like kankanam ing kankanam
அது சொல்லுங்க கங்கணம் ச்சன்னு சொல்லணுமா
kankanam cha.
Okay.
Kankanam is one word, cha is step another word. Kankanam cha apdi. Okay. Stanza 5. Shraddhaya virachitaanugana krita tara madhura sware नर्तने तललितांगहार लुलितांगहार मणिभूषणे सम्मधेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्धि विशदां चिन्मये त्वयि निहीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्. So the first word, some of you might have spardhaya, some books may have shraddhaya. So if you have spardhaya, then replace it with shraddhaya. Okay. Shraddhaya virachi tanu gana krita tara madura sware, comma, nartaneta lalitanga hara lulitanga hara mani bhushane. Shraddhaya virachitaanugana krita tara madhura sware nartaneta lalitangahara lulitangahara mani bhushane.
Shraddhaya virachitaanugana kritata Shraddhaya virachitaanugana krita tara madhurasvare नेतललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे श्रद्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतार मधुरस्वरे नर्तनेतललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे
श्रद्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतार मधुरस्वरे नर्तनेतललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे श्रद्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतार मधुरस्वरे नर्तनेतललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे
सम्मधेन कृत पुष्प varsham. If you want to break it, you can break it that ma varsham alam. If you want to break it, or you can say it pushpa varsham alam. Unmi shaddhi, double the coming there. Unmi shaddhi vishadam kulam, comma chinmaye tvayi niliya manam iva sammu moha savadhu kulam. सम्मधेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्धि विशदां कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्.
सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलम् उन्मिषद्धि विशदां कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्. सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षम् अलमुन्मिषद्धि विशदां कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्.
सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्निषद् विविशदं कुलं
அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு செகண்ட் ரூபா. உன்மி ஷத்தி ஷத்தி டபுள் த உன்மி ஷத்தி விஷதாம்.
सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमल सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषेध
ஷத்தி உன்மிஷத்தி
उन्मिषद्धि विशदाङ्कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसु सवधूकुलं सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषेद्
ஷத்தி
मुन्मिषेद्वशदि
இல்ல no you're saying she unmi shaddi
उन्मिषद्भि शदशाङ्कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निसीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्.
stanza 6. स्विन्न सन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्बते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुलेक्षणा काचिदाचलित कुन्तला नवपटीरसार घनसौरभं वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्ब भुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा स्विन्न सन्न तनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना comma कान्तं अंसम. If you want to break it, कान्तं अंसम अवलम्भते स्म तव तान्ति भार मुकुलेक्षणा स्विन्न सन्न तनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्भते स्म तव तान्ति भार मुकुलेक्षणा.
स्विन्न सन्न तनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं असमवलम्भते
कान्तं अंसम अवलम्भते
स्विन्नसन्नतनुवल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्बते स्म तव शान्ति भारमुकुले क्षणा स्विन्नसन्नुतनुवल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्बते स्म तव शान्ति भारमुकुले क्षणा
भिन्नसन्नतनुवल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्बते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुले क्षणाम् स्विन्नसन्नतनुवल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमं समवलम्बते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुले क्षणा
काचिदा चलित कुन्तला नव पटीर सार घन सौरभम कॉमा वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजम अंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा काचिदा चलित कुन्तला नव पटीर सार घन सौरभम वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजमंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा
அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு வா இருக்கே கனவ சௌரபம்னு இருக்கே
இல்ல கன சௌரபம் தான் அது
கன சௌரபம் தான்
யா
काचिदा चलित कुन्तला नवपटीर सार घन सौरभं वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजमंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा काचिदा चलित कुन्तला नवपटीर सार घन सौरभं वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजम अंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा
कांचिदा चलित कुन्तला नवपटीरसार घन सौरभं वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजमंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा कांचिदा चलित कुन्तला नवपटीरसार घन सौरभं वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब वंचनेन तव संचुचुंब भुजमंचितोरु पुलकांकुरा
Answer 7.
ராஜேஷ் ஜி அந்த இடத்துல காசிதா சலித்தவா இல்ல காஞ்சிதாவா
இல்ல காச்சி சா காச்சி தா ஓகே Answer 7. कापि गंड भुवि सन्निधाय निज गंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम् इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरं भुवन सुंदरं हि नटनान्तरे त्वामवाप्य धदुरंगनाः किमुन सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम् कापि गंध भुवि सन्निधाय निज गंडम आकुलित if you want to break it गंडम आकुलित कुंडलम comma पुण्य पूर निधिर अन्ववाप if you want to break it रल निधिर अन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम कापि गंड भुवि सन्निधाय निज गंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम्
कापि गंड भुवि सन्निधाय निज गंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम् कापि गंड भुवि सन्निधाय निज गंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम्
कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलं पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव चर्वितरसामृतम् कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलं पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम्
इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरम भुवन सुंदरम हि नटनांतरे कॉमा त्वाम अवाप्य धदुरंगनाः is there put a ich sound धदुरंगनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मद दशांतरम इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरम भुवन सुंदरम हि नटनांतरे त्वामवाप्य धदुरंगनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मद दशांतरम
इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरं भुवन सुंदरं हि नटनांतरे त्वामवाप्य ददुरंगनः किमु न सम्मदोन्मद दशांतरम् इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरं भुवन सुंदरं हि नटनांतरे त्वामवाप्य ददुरंगनः किमु न सम्मदोन्मद दशांतरम्
इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरं भुवन सुंदरं हि नटनांतरे त्वामवाप्य धदुरंगनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम् इंदिरा विहृति मंदिरं भुवन सुंदरं हि नटनांतरे त्वामवाप्य धदुरंगनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्
Probably we'll do one or two more. Anyone else? Anyone wants to try?
I can try. I can try
Okay.
to.
Vaidehi, I don't know who was the other. Bikram? Okay, say. Stanza 8. गानमीशविरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न ऋतुरङ्गणा नाविधन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं भ्रुवे. So गानम ईश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्य मेलनम उपारतम you can say together comma ब्रह्म सम्मद रसाकुलाः put is रसाकुलास सदसि केवलं न नृतुर अंगनाः or you can say it together. गानमीशविरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न ऋतुरङ्गणाः.
गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलन मुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं नृतुरङ्गणाः. गानमीश वितरं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं नृतुरङ्गणाः.
The first line, second word, biratam. Second time when you said, you just switch ra and ta, but just make a note, okay? Biratam.
Viratam.
Ganamisha biratam. Yeah.
Viratam.
Yeah.
गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण खिल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न नृतुरङ्गणाः. गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न नृतुरङ्गणाः.
नाविधन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीम् अपि च कञ्चुलीं कॉमा ज्योतिषाम् अपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे नाविधन्नपि च नीतिकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तुलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
third line कुन्तलीमपि
कुन्तलीमपि नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे.
We'll do one more stanza and we can stop. मोदसीं भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलिसमृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां मन्मता सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिराधदितमारवीरपरमोत्सवान् मोदसीम्नि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च तथो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलांग नव घर्म लेश सुभगात्मनां मोदसीम्नि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलांगनव घर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां
मोदसीम्नि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च तथो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनव घर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां मोदसीम्नि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च तथो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनव घर्मलेश सुभगात्मनाम्
मोदसीन्मि भुवनं विलाप्य विहितं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलांग नवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां.
The first line विहृतिं
मोदसीन्मि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलांग नवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां
मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुप योषितां सुकृत चोदितः put a visarga and a comma choditah. Next line that is goes away. So tavada kalita murtiradhadita mara veera paramotsavan मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिराधदितमारवीरपरमोत्सवान्
मन्मता सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिराधदित मारवीरपरमोत्सवान् मन्मता सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिराधदित मारवीरपरमोत्सवान्
मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिरादधित मारवीरपरमोत्सवान् मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिरादधित मारवीरपरमोत्सवान्.
We'll stop here because it's got 11 stanzas, so I don't think we'll be able to finish today. So we'll stop it here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadibhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtavatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahma tattvam tattavad bhati sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Thank you everyone. So I think next class we'll finish 98, which is April 7th, right? And then April 14th we'll have the class. I know it's Vishu and Tamil New Year, but we'll have the class because we'll finish the 100th chapter. So it's a good day for you to attend the class, even though it's Tamil New Year and Vishu. We'll do the 100th chapter on that day. It's landed perfectly. And then the 421, we'll still have the class where we'll start Narayana Kavacham. Narayana Kavacham will take 2 classes. So 421, we'll do Narayana Kavacham, and then the 428, we'll finish Narayana Kavacham, and that will end this session. Okay, so I wanted to finish it before the 23rd Parayanam, but that's okay. We'll slip one later, which is okay, not bad. So, okay. Thank you, everyone.
I really enjoyed today's class. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Rasakrida is so good.
I know 68 is also very good. 68 is also good, but we are not doing it in this session, so.
It's very melodious, actually.
If you sing it nicely, it's melodious, but something my tunes goes here and there. So whenever we have Parayanam, I assign to somebody who knows singing, and they are the ones.
The one that your son sang?
Yeah, this is one my son sang. You wake him up at sleep, he'll do this chapter. So. Like Anu, the way she first sang, right? That is the other tune. Later on, she changed it. She fixed it, right? Because the other way you can sing this is something. I'm not forgot now. There are 2 tunes. People sing it in one or either of those tunes, so it doesn't matter which one. Anu first Parnapo, I felt like she was slightly going towards the other tune, but later on she switched over to this. So I don't know, maybe Anu, you heard it from someone before, maybe. I don't know.
The புத்தகத்துல வந்து பாலாஜி ராகன் போட்டிருக்கு.
இல்ல இதுல வந்து குசுமா மஞ்சரின்னு போட்டிருக்கு என்னோடல.
ஓ குசுமா.
You should, so Rajesh, you should make a index of all the tunes, because that would be very good for people like us. Like
no. I think 69 you ignore it. Ignore 69 because that's a unique, right? Otherwise there are only 3 tunes. Okay. It is the 4-liners, and then the 2-liners, there are 2 tunes. That's all it is. I think 1, 12, and 14 cover those 3 tunes. So anyway.
But none of it. So
okay.
Rajesh ji, so after the 24th and the inner session, we are going to continue with the other Dashakas?
Yeah. So we'll start, but I think that what we'll do is, and that is the best of the Lord sessions, I would say, the best of because that is all about Krishna. Majority of it is about Krishna, because we stopped at 38 today, right? Then we directly jumped over to 69. So on the lot of chapters between 38 to 69 is going to be there in the second batch, right? So that we'll look at timings. You may probably move it to maybe weekends, afternoon or something, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes, right?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.